सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात जो था वो अपना यूनिट मैजिकल था. एवरी डे इट्स लाइक अ पिकनिक. सुपर.
We've just about gotten started and we really have a long way to go. The whole experience was such an experience for me. But now when it's done, I can't really wait for people to see this film and share the experience that we've had.
कत्तियाँ करूँ तेरा रूं कत्तियाँ करूँ तेरा रूं तेरा रू सारे
With rockstar. No, not yet. Film is never over till it's over.
I wish I can shoot for this film every day of my entire acting career because it creatively satisfies me. It fills me up with a space where I want to be with the people who I love.
Imtiaz was not going out there to make one pretty picture. He was not going out there to necessarily just do scale and do an epic film in typical scale terms. He was looking actually to invest the character with very, very deep roots.
A long time back, I must have written the basic sketch of the story and the first screenplay actually around 5 years or 6 years back. That was before Jab We Met was written. Then I worked on it for a while, then I stopped working on it and did other things and came back to it after Love Aajkal and realized that really lots had changed in my mind about the film. The film that I was trying to make at that point of time was, I'm glad that I didn't get around to making it because it was immature, I think. It was more born out of fascination of a guy who becomes a musician.
जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ बर्बाद करे अल्फाज मेरे.
Now I understand these two people in the story, Heer and Jordan. Now I understand them. I can relate to them. Earlier I could see them and I liked them, but it's not the same thing. Yeah, I always had a sense of I always felt that this script is going to be a slightly treacherous experience for me because it would draw me in drastically. That's just, I think, the nature of the story and the way things happen.
कभी मुझे लगे कि जैसे सारा ही ये जहां है जा.
I had a feeling, I had a fear that the journey would be an internal one and something that involves everyone who's working on it in a personal way.
तुम नहीं वेट करना किसी का, तुमको अपनी बात कहनी ही है, तुम्हारी बात पहुंचनी ही है. वो पहुंच रही है कि नहीं तुम देख भी रहे हो कि पहुंच रही है कि नहीं.
College kid who then grows up to become a very big rock star and in the process falls in love with a girl and all the ensuing drama from there. But the way Imtiaz has chosen to tell this story is actually very interesting because of the way the film is structured.
Oh yeah yeah yeah. Oh yeah yeah yeah.
I feel that it involves me more personally. this movie for some reason. It just involves me more. It's indescribable. I can't put my finger on it, but it just involves me more. And I believe that movies demand their own pound of flesh. I'm saying all of this in a negative way. I mean it in a very positive way, actually. That they demand their treatment. They demand what they have to get from you, and you've got to just often just supply that. That's all you've got to do as a director. And so the demand of this movie is, it's more incisive. It's deeper.
जो भी मैं कहना चाहूं बर्बाद करे अल्फाज मेरे
It's not as though I was necessarily looking for a new girl, but I was looking for a particular kind of girl who lives in Delhi, is from a Kashmiri family, and who's very upper crust and appears to be snooty and very beautiful. It's the ideal person who you would go for and hope to get a heartbreak. But at the same time, you discover a side of her which is very personal to her, in which she wants to have fun, just do the wrong thing, because she doesn't really get to do that much in the life that she lives.
चक्री सी पैरों में पैया पैया आया ओ आसमां सर पर घुमा ओ ओ
Then there was a picture of Nargis which this girl who works for me called Sunaina had pulled out of the net, and we had a printout of that, and this girl was supposed to be an international model. We had no idea about who she was, and I used to use that picture as a reference of the kind of face we were looking for. And she was actually in Europe when I went to Prague to recce for this film. So she took a flight and she came down and we met, and I knew that it's going to be her despite all the challenges that we'd face to get her in.
Well, it's my first time, but it was really great. Everyone's really easygoing and everyone worked together, so it was all harmony and peace and love. So I really enjoyed it.
खबरी चकराया उल्टे पाँव रुक गया तो बदलाया उसने हवा हवा रानी हवा.
I think Ranveer knows this film as well as I do, and he knows the ins and outs and the whole psychographic, the whole geography of this film as well as I do. And all of us, both of us, and many others, Anil and many of us have just put everything into this film.
हवा 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 पाँव रुके ना किसके रोके ये तो चलेंगे.
He is, I think, a movie lover. That's slightly different from me. He's really involved and is interested in movies, and is willing to give everything at all for the movie, for the shot that he's taking. For him, the world stops there.
आग लग जाएगी उसके तन बदन में. जंगली जवानी जाग जाएगी उसकी.
He has the desire, just like I do, to go down that path, and we actually are like two spent swimmers and really dragging things down.
चिढ़कर गुस्से में बोला राजा ओ रानी क्यों फट.
और मैं रॉक कर देंगे बता रहा हूँ. सोच के देख.
The world that Imtiaz is creating for the characters in this film, especially for Jordan, it's making it very organic and very real. So he puts you in that world, he gives you a character, and like I said, in this film I really don't know how it's going, because it's a tricky character. You can't get a sense of if it's going the right way or the wrong way. All I can say is it's feeling real enough, it's feeling good enough.
हवा हवा ओ रानी हवा पाँव रुके.
I'm very intrigued by Ranveer and by Nargis, and I feel that they have strange gifts to offer a director. and I hope that the movie can do justice to them. We had only 3 or 4 days to shoot in Verona. The most charming town that I've seen in my life.
The most romantic cities in the world. It's where Juliet used to stay.
He's not taking this seriously. It's all unreal.
Huge arena in the center of the square in Verona. You know, they have posters, they have guitars, they have impersonators. You know, there was like 300 massive crowd cheering Jordan.
See, shooting on location and shooting in Europe is always very, very challenging.
People think that there is a rock star called Jordan who is going to perform here on the 11th of September 2011, and many people came actually to ask for tickets and to buy his the accessories and t-shirts that said Jordan, and hope many of them turn up to watch the film.
The camera, everybody moves up, आप इधर ही रुक जाते हो, and you turn and go up.
The places we shot were amazing, so I'll definitely take back a lot from the romance. Unbelievable. I think she could be one of those MotoGP drivers, and she just learned it like a week back.
A week? I learned it in 2 days.
In 2 days. It took me a week.
2 hours.
2
1
hours.
hour each day.
Oh. It's been one of the best schedules in my 7-film career. We've been here since 50 odd days, and it's just passed, because we've been constantly working really hard. At the same time, we've been hanging out. All our conversations, even offset, relates to the movie because we all are so much into it. India sir has really brought all the energies of everyone on the set, towards the film. So when something like that happens, time just passes, and I think work happens at a good pace. Work happens in a good way.
जंगली जवानी
We are in Prague now. We've just started shooting. It's just one day, and it's the beginning of a long innings. And hope it goes well. I tried my best to cover as much of Prague as possible and to place scenes outside in the best of Prague rather than keep them inside.
Prague, of course, everyone has heard, is one of the most fascinatingly beautiful cities in the world.
Prague is also the dark heart of Europe. If you notice, there's a lot of darkness. If you see, for instance, under that bench, it's a normal bench, but there's a snake inside that supports that. And you will find such marks of darkness everywhere in Prague because it was really supposed to be the center of witchcraft and supposed to be very haunted. No such luck with us. We didn't find any ghost here. But beautiful town. You just look anywhere, and if this part looks beautiful, it's really not to do with what we've done, but what exists in Prague even before us.
It's like a musical city, you know, where all orchestrations are done, where a lot of people come here for recording. Rahman himself comes here, you know, to record his songs once, you know, the final mix of songs. So it's been great. Prague's been lovely. I think we've really done some super work out here. And the food, the place, the beer, the women, everything is just fascinating.
Great friendships have been formed, and I think I'm going to come back here. And now that I've shot in Prague, I get a feeling that I know less and less of it, and there is more and more to discover. And I definitely want to come back to Prague as many times as I can and do as much work as I can. I'm really glad that we could manage to pull this off and come here and shoot here, and I hope that some of the glory rubs off on our movie.
It was great fun because it was like an adventure, you know. Each time the blizzard used to come, and we all used to be scared that, you know, what if we are stuck in this blizzard?
Oh, I found the city really beautiful. It feels sort of like a little bit lost in time, I guess you can say.
That's true.
And Pahalgam was beautiful.
Jai Mata Di!
I don't think I've ever been to a more beautiful location than this, and I mean, it's really overwhelming. I mean, we've also seen weather change in this place. We've seen fresh snowfall. The trees are just kissed with the snow. It's just too beautiful. Anytime I would say that there's locations in India which have not been explored and which have been explored and are still, you know, really worthy of many more movies.
But the best time was the snow fights.
Yes, the snow fights. It was the assistants versus me and my team, and Nargis was on our team, and we used to butcher the assistants with snowballs. So that was good fun. It was amazing because it just shows that there's so much of love in this country, and it's just been avoided for so long. And we truly hope that this film at least highlights that side of Kashmir, the beauty of Kashmir, and it can bring all the glory days of Kashmir back. Well, the journey is not over yet. Like I said, I made friends. I've met artists for life, and these people are going to remain my dear friends all my life.
I don't think I've ever felt so overwhelmed at the end of any other film that I've shot.
Awesome working with Imtiaz Ali. Imtiaz Ali rocks, baby. धमाल एकदम धमाल तो बहुत बड़ी सुपर हिट है
This film has been the best experience of every unit member's life.
I
And
love her long time okay.
This whole 6, 7, 8 months, whatever months, we are like a family. And we are like this now. All the best, guys. All the best. We are really looking forward for the release. Love you, Rockstar crew.